Oh wow, hey guys, I'm just really, really pissed off right now. Hopefully, I'm not really pissed off, but I tried to pause and then resume, but it did not give me the option to. We can see later if I was able to edit this video and make it one video, but basically, when I paused it, it just kind of exited and went away. So I'll figure it out. Anyway, so we're going to start from the baby's bedroom. I don't know if you remember what it looked like before, but this is what it looks like now. So this is the general way how her room looks when I am done pretty much with my normal cleaning. So not the cleaning that I'm going to be doing tomorrow, but this is how it looks when I'm done with her room. If you can see that, I have decided to not clean my other daughter's room because that's just not gonna happen. This is the bathroom. As you can see, I just moved the clothes off the floor and piled them up there. And yeah, I just moved whatever was on top there and put them away. So basically just a lot of, you know, regular type cleaning. And so this is our bedroom again, and it doesn't look very different from, I mean, the clothes that are there, that's just stuff that I kind of got from underneath the bed when I did laundry. I know, it's horrendous there. And it's my side, it's my husband's side. Let's back up a bit. You can see, I haven't swept in here yet, so that's the cupboards. And those need to be organized, but basically this is what our bedroom looks like. Hang on a second, I'm trying to show you the floor so you can walk in and walk out. Yeah, there you go. Look at that. Looks nice enough. This cleaning this time took me about an hour, so let me see if I can. Okay, I was gonna try to give you another view, switch the camera around, but it's not giving me that option either. So let's see here. So this is what I did with the play area. Remember we were looking at Apollonia's. Let's turn it this way. Yeah, so this is her play area. Swept and cleaned. And this is the dining room table. Cleaned it all off. Yay! And I still have the bucket from mopping. There's our bio garbage right there. Ta-da! There's some. So this is the kitchen now, and this is basically my general cleaning. I still have the cloths from wiping down the counters, and so this is what it looks like now. Of course, all of this stuff still has to get put away. I started the machine, and it's about to be done with. The dishes are about to be done. So yeah, this is what it looks like now, guys. This is what the kitchen looks like now. Ta-da, ta-da-da-da. Right? And it's going to look even better once we're done with all of this cleaning and sorting out. So as you can remember what the dining room looked like, as well as the living room was a real. Hey, can you not sit so close to that TV? Can you sit there? Yeah, and so she moved all of her stuff. Moved all her stuff onto the couch. And so we got her toys there. Where are your blocks? Where are your building blocks? She has an issue with my decoration, so yeah. But as you can see, the floor is clean. And we got rid of most of if not all of the roasted onion chips.
And so we will see you guys later so that you can be updated on how our intense cleaning for Christmas is going.